Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive group notifications by SMS on Facebook using your PC. With this new update, you'll never miss important updates from your favorite groups again. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to set this up. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons, including the familiar bell-shaped notifications icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking the notifications icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In the top right corner of this menu, you'll spot 3 dots. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on them to reveal a new set of choices. From the options that appear, look for and select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. Now, scroll down the page until you find the Groups section. Click on it to expand the options related to group notifications. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the SMS option and toggle it on. By enabling SMS notifications for groups, Facebook will now send you text messages about important group activities. This is especially useful if you're not always online but want to stay in the loop with your groups. Remember, you can always come back to the settings page to fine-tune which groups you receive SMS notifications from. This way, you can prioritize the groups that matter most to you. And there you have it. You've successfully set up SMS notifications for your Facebook groups on your PC. Now you'll receive text updates about group activities, ensuring you never miss out on important discussions or events. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking.